Hey guys! So, you're looking to transform your diet with keto but unsure where to start? Like, where do all these low-carb people get off? It's cool, I get it. Keto can seem like this big, scary, science-y thing, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Basically, it's tricking your body into burning fat for fuel instead of carbs, which is like the dream, right? I'm gonna walk you through the what, why, and how of keto and give you a bomb 14-day meal plan. Because who doesn't love a good plan? Buckle up, Buttercup, we're going keto. Let's break it down, my little keto crew. The ketogenic diet is all about drastically reducing your carb intake and replacing it with, you guessed it, fats. This puts your body into a state called ketosis, where it's like, all right, carbs are out, time to burn some fat, baby. Benefits? Oh, we got them. Think weight loss, improved energy levels, bye-bye carb crashes, and even mental clarity. Yeah, keto can make you smart, or at least feel smart. Listen, I'm the queen of procrastination, but even I know that meal planning is key to keto success. When you're constantly surrounded by delicious temptations, looking at you pizza, it's easy to fall off the wagon. That's why having your meals prepped and ready to go is like having a keto guardian angel on your shoulder whispering, "Don't do it, Susan, you're a keto queen." Hold on to your hats, kids, because this is where the magic happens. Over the next 14 days, we're going on a culinary adventure that will transform your body and your taste buds. We're talking delicious, satisfying meals that are actually good for you. No more sad salads and flavorless tofu, my friends. Before we dive into the meal plan, we gotta stock up on the good stuff. Think healthy fats, lean proteins, and all the low-carb veggies your heart desires. Don't worry, I got you covered with a handy-dandy shopping list that will make your grocery trip a breeze. Meal prepping doesn't have to be a chore, people. With a little organization and a few time-saving hacks, you can whip up a week's worth of keto meals in no time. We're talking batch cooking, freezer meals, and maybe even a little dance party in the kitchen. Because why not? All right, let's do this thing. Days 1 and 2 are all about easing into keto and getting your body used to burning fat for fuel. We're starting with delicious and easy recipes that will make you forget you're even on a diet. By now, you might be starting to feel those carb cravings creeping in. But fear not, my keto warriors, we're ready for them. Days 3 and 4 are all about satisfying your taste buds with flavorful and keto-friendly alternatives to your favorite carb-heavy meals. You're halfway there, keto crew. By now, you're probably feeling more energetic, focused, and maybe even a little lighter. Days 5 and 6 are all about keeping that momentum going with delicious and satisfying meals that will make you forget you ever doubted the power of keto. You're officially a keto rock star. Days 7 and 8 are all about fine-tuning your keto game and experimenting with new recipes. Almost there. Days 9 and 10 are all about staying consistent and enjoying the delicious rewards of your hard work. You're basically a keto ninja at this point. Days 11 and 12 are all about maintaining your keto lifestyle and inspiring others with your newfound knowledge and delicious meals. Congratulations, you made it! Days 13 and 14 are all about celebrating your success and looking ahead to a healthier, happier you. You've proven that you have the willpower and determination to achieve your goals, and that's something to be proud of. Remember, this meal plan is just a starting point. You can adjust it to fit your own dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're vegetarian, vegan, or have any food allergies, there's a way to make keto work for you. And there you have it, my keto crew. You are now armed with the knowledge and the tools to conquer the ketogenic diet like a boss. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but the most important thing is to listen to your body, stay consistent, and never give up on your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future keto adventures. And be sure to share your keto transformations with me in the comments below, because I live for that stuff. Stay fierce, my keto friends.